my name's Dana Stein. I'm with Gardens of Babylon, and today we're going to talk about what to do this time of year, and maintenance is in the hot seat. So let's get going and talk about it. Great question. So it's going to first start with the client and their needs. So are you someone who loves to still get your hands dirty? Are you going to want to go out and be in your yard after work or on the weekends? Some people are like, nope, I want you to take care of it. I'm going to look at it through the window. So we'll determine your service schedule based on your needs and your lifestyle.
Maintenance team different from others?
So we actually specialize in a fine gardening service. We really help people who are just plant fanatics. They love perennials. They want their gardens to look like something out of a published magazine. We actually have the staff trained who can help you go in and maintain that and really know their plants. They know when to cut things back. They know when to deadhead throughout the season. It's that detail work that most other companies or mow and blow companies, they come in, they're totally proficient at cutting your grass and whacking things back, but do you really trust them to know what a peony looks like or a poppy this time of year coming up in your lawn? So we're here to actually know and differentiate and give you that detailed treatment. So that's what makes us different.